so welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Sifra. If you're new here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, welcome back, girl. In today's video, I'm showing you some hairstyle you can do with some, I think, distress lock or butterfly locks. These were actually long passion twists, and I turned them into some distress locks. If you want to see how I turned them into these beautiful short distress locks, make sure to click the iCards, because I will add the link in the iCards and you can go check it out there. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Okay, for the first hairstyle, you can leave it like this. Just this, a middle part. It's cute like this. Just this. And you can also turn it into a side part. You guys don't mind my edges, okay? I didn't want to add edge control on them today because let them rest, okay? You can wear it out. You can also wear a side part like this. This is also so cute. And for the second hairstyle, this one is very trendy. I have just leave these two like this, and you want to have you can either use a scrunchie or a hair tie, but I'm going to go for a hair tie. So I leave two at the front like this, and I take half of my hair, leave some at the side. And like that, you have your second hairstyle. And for your third hairstyle, you want to take this same two twist at the front. You want to take the same two twists at the front, and this is a low manipulation hairstyle. And then take all your hair to the back like this, and one time. And you have your and this is your third hairstyle. For the next hairstyle, you want to have a shoelace like this. Take your hair, tie. Okay, let me show you. Just a high puff. The back. For the last and final hairstyle, side like this. this is my last and final hairstyle. You can add some cute accessories, cute pins like this. So you guys, thank you all for watching. These are my 5 quick easy hairstyles you can do with short distressed locks or butterfly locks, and these hairstyles came out so cute. Comment down below which hairstyle you like the most. My favorite one was my second one, I think, or the first one, I don't know. But you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that down below. Click that red subscribe button down there and click that notification bell to get notified whenever I post. And see you in my next video. Bye guys.